Alright, here's the finished product right here. As you can see, this small one, I have 11 of these, and then the bigger ones is 4 of them. So this is a makeup brush holder. You can add, for the big ones, you could put that in there, or like here. Small ones, you can add multiple ones like this, however you want to put it in there. Same way like this. Just throwing them in here. Of course, don't bash me, ladies, on how I putting these in here, but I'm just showing you how these could actually be. Some people use a spoon, and once again, I'm not sure how many brushes this is, but each one of these, as you can see, can hold multiple ones if you want to do it that way, or if you want to hold them single yourself. But once again, it spins around on a Lazy Susan. You could push it by putting your finger right here or at the bottom, but it's easier to push it right here. Glass smooth, go to the left and it goes to the right. Alright, there you go. Makeup brush holder. Alright. Alright, here it is after adding some rhinestones to it. There you go. Rhinestones added to it. Nice little bling.